Hopefully my phone doesn't fall in the water. There we go. These are gonna be perfect to build this fence we want to build. And then down the river that way, like, I don't know, third of a mile, there's a bunch of good ones that are already stripped clean.
I love a man who knows his way around
so nice out. What, baby?
Chainsaw. Nothing.
You making fun of me?
No.
Oh.
You making fun of me, Riz?
Said something about chainsaw. I figured you were making a joke.
I was. No, I wanted that one! Ansley, come here. Hurry, please. That stick that's going in, yep.
This?
Yep. It has cool twisties to it.
That one moves. So clear. Look how clear it is. Now we can go look and see if we can play lumberjack or not. Okay. Partway there. Watch your step, kiddos. Might just have to get our feet wet. Might be the easiest option. There's a tire in the water. Look at that deer trail. It's really cool how the river has done this. It wasn't like this last year. It's kind of pretty how the sand is laid underneath there. Alright, I think we're not gonna get them from this location because it's been cleared up back there and a lot of the sticks have washed away.
That way, guys.
So we'll get something easier, which makes sense anyways. Okay, I found some sticks around here. We'll get some of these and toss them down to the road. Should have just tried here first. What? That's up to you. Down there. Down there. right, now it's time to serve our kids a half-ass healthy lunch. You guys hungry? Just like poor redneck style, we got some pickled eggs, some lunch meat, some turkey sticks, and some cheese sticks. Turkey stick?
Maybe.
Okay, so we're not eating to get full, we're just having something to keep us going until we get back home.
I'm so sorry.
Come in, shoulder. What? Okay, well you should have said yes when I asked.
I thought that was going a completely different direction.
Hit me in the shoulder.
Oh no.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You watched me fall off a building 2 years ago.
Well, I just feel bad. I'm sorry.
I ain't never accused me of being smart.
Clearly, you married me.
Go cough. Alright, okay. You might be a redneck if you're eating a pickled egg on a dirt road, picking up sticks for your house.
Nobody made my lunch. Where?
Fucking smart ass is saying something.
What?
Nothing, baby.
Where?
Nice. Got all my nutrition. What's up, motherfucker?
Dead ass. Look at him, guys. He's so sexy. Yum.
She's talking about the turkey stick. Hell of a lot cooler than a tablet. Well, it's been really, really, really windy here in Iowa the last few weeks or few days. So we came across this tree. And I just happened to be driving around with my handy dandy play school chainsaw.
How ironic is it that we happen to have a chainsaw?
All right, let's see if we're lucky enough. This might be our last stop. We need some bigger pieces, some thicker pieces. This tree's getting ready to fall on the road, so I'm gonna cut the tree that's holding it up, let it hit the road, and we'll piece these up.
He sure knows his way around a chainsaw, that's for sure. He knows jack shit about it.
I'm gonna give it a kick.
Oh!
Oh my God, now it is just suspended in the air. See if I can tip it. Holy fuck, I can. It's gonna come down.
Not
Are
yet.
you shitting me? That whole tree is just floating there.
It's in
the crotch of the tree?
Yeah.
I'm gonna spin it, see if it breaks the tree and it'll fall. God damn. Dangerous work.
You're getting somewhere with that.
Let me push it with another stick so I don't have to get too close.
I can hear our kids fighting in the truck right now.
Here it comes.
Their
Come
lives
on.
are so hard.
I just don't want this thing to fall in somebody's car. Ugh. Oh, baby. One more shove. Boy, that little tree is stout. This is ridiculous. Kind of fun. Oh, you bitch! This is dangerous work. This is not what I expected out of this. That is insane, Nikki. This might not be very safe at all. Wish I had a chain with me. Well, let's cut another piece of this fucker
Can you
off.
make a notch? Can you make a notch in the one that's holding it up and then just kind of swing it from there?
Maybe. I'm hoping if I cut this
Break
long
the
one off,
notch.
it'll offset the weight. Didn't expect it to close that way. What the hell?
That'll do.
Well, that didn't help. I mean, it did, but it didn't. Oh, there she goes.
Watch your head.
from both directions now. All right, we're gonna throw a ratchet strap on there. It's more for looks than anything because I'm not gonna drive that fast, but I don't want somebody bitching.
Found a rock.
Hold on, buddy.
Grab my shirt and put it down on your seat so you can sit down.
Nikki, come
Yeah, I
here.
know that.
Hold that strap for me. Yeah, I'm ready to get home, get out of the sun for a little bit, wash up. Yep, that's not going anywhere.